Hello everyone, my name is Vitor and welcome to my YouTube channel Portuguese Vitor. So today we're going to see months of the year, days of the week, their gender, and how to use a preposition, and the most common preposition used with these words, okay? So let's start with days of the week. We have, first of all, we have Monday, segunda-feira, Tuesday, terça-feira, Wednesday, quarta-feira, Thursday, quinta-feira, Friday, sexta-feira, Saturday, sábado, Sunday, domingo. So, first of all, we have to know that days from Monday to Friday, they are feminine. So, segunda-feira, terça-feira, quarta-feira, quinta-feira, and sexta-feira, they are feminine. Although, Saturday and Sunday, they are masculine. And usually we put the article before them. So, it's going to be a segunda-feira, a terça-feira, a quarta-feira, a quinta-feira, a sexta-feira, o sábado, o domingo. Okay? So, masculine and feminine. And going to the months of the year, we have January, janeiro, fevereiro, março, abril, maio, junho, julho, agosto, setembro, outubro, novembro, dezembro. Again, janeiro, fevereiro, março, abril, maio, junho, julho, agosto, setembro, outubro, novembro, dezembro. Okay? So, 4 months, they are all masculine. And the difference between days of the week and months of the year is that months of the year, usually we don't put the article. They are masculine, but we don't say o janeiro. It's completely wrong. You have to say janeiro. Okay? And a bonus I'm going to give you here is the seasons, are the seasons of the year. So we have for spring, primavera, primavera, summer, verão, verão, autumn, outono, outono, and last of all, winter, we have inverno, inverno. So, only primavera, spring, is feminine. Inverno, verão, and outono, they are masculine. And usually we put the article. A primavera, o inverno, o verão, o outono. Okay? And now, I'm going to the preposition. The preposition we use when you want to say it's going to happen on Monday in January. We use the preposition em. But I don't know if you have already seen a video about the preposition em. But the preposition em, when it's connected with the article, it changes. Okay, the preposition em with o becomes no. Em with a becomes na. Em with os becomes nos, and em with as becomes nas. So, when you want to say, I'm going to travel on Monday, eu vou viajar na segunda-feira. It's the preposition em, that means on in English, in this case, plus the article a. That's the article for the feminine, segunda-feira. When you want to say on Sunday, for example, I'm going to travel on Sunday. Eu vou viajar no domingo. Why no? Because o is the article for the masculine and domingo is masculine. Em plus o becomes no. When we want to say a month of the year, I told you we don't use the article. So we have to say, I'm going to travel in January. You have to say, eu vou viajar em janeiro. Why em and not no? Because we don't use the article or any article before the month of the year. Okay? I have to put em. And season, the same happens with days of the week. Eu vou viajar na primavera, because it has the article. Same happens with summer. Eu vou viajar no verão. It's the preposition em plus the article o. Okay? So this is it. Thank you very much for attending this class. Again, don't forget to go to my Instagram, Portuguese Vitor. And if you have any doubts, comment down below in this video and I will answer you. Bye bye, see you next time.